Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you your 1 minute of motivation with your quote for today. Follow your heart, but take your brain with you. Are you one of those people that always has that gut feeling but just decides to go with what your brain, that decision that your brain makes for you? How many times have you tried to go with what you thought was actually the right decision and just messed it up? Maybe you missed out on something. Maybe it's time you listen to your heart instead. That gut feeling is of course there for a reason. Maybe it's time you listened. Just don't forget your brain so you don't make a rash decision about it all.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.